Effective until 4:02 p.m. the National Weather Service in State Conchpa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cumberland County, in south-central Pennsylvania, southern Dauphin County, in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County, in south-central Pennsylvania. Until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Shiremanstown, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Lower Allen, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Linglestown, and Enola. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 2346, Interstate 81 from mile markers 58 to 74, Interstate 83 from mile markers 32 to 50, Interstate 283 mile markers 0 to 2. Precautionary/preparedness actions: stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.